This video is going to explore the first couple of steps you need to do before you actually start writing your paper. The four pre-writing steps we're going to look at is brainstorming, organizing your ideas, putting your ideas in a logical order, and then making an outline. This video is going to focus on the first two steps, brainstorming, and then making a mind map to organize your ideas. We have all done brainstorming many times, whether it's for school, work, planning a vacation. But let's go ahead and focus on this man called Osborne. He made 4 rules for brainstorming. The first rule he said was you should focus on quantity, not quality. What this means is you want to have as many ideas as possible. You don't care if they're good ideas or not. Not yet. Later on you can decide if an idea is good or maybe not so good. The second rule he says is do not criticize, especially in group brainstorming. You don't want to tell people that that idea is stupid. You want people to feel free to say any idea that they want. Because his third rule states unusual ideas are good. We want to see things from a different perspective. So actually, unusual ideas shouldn't be laughed at. They should be encouraged. This takes us right into Osborne's fourth rule. What Osborne said is 1 plus 1 equals 3. Now, I'm sure he understands math, but what Osborne was saying here is when you have one idea, it generates many more ideas. If you say something, then that can make my brain think of other ideas. I say those ideas, it can make you think and generate other ideas. So in group brainstorming, it's very important to share ideas because this can lead to an exponential growth of ideas. There are a couple of different methods that you can use for brainstorming. The first one is where you see dogs written in red. You can just put the main idea in the middle, go around the main idea, place words that are related to that word. Or you can do what's further over to the right and just make a list of different words. It doesn't matter which method you use, but try to follow the Osborne method, which means don't worry about the relationships right now. In this stage, don't worry if one idea is related to another. All you want to do is generate as many ideas as possible. And do not worry if ideas are good or bad. Remember, at this point, there's no bad ideas. Any idea is okay. So just write anything that comes to your mind, any word or phrase, just as quickly as you can, write it down. After you brainstormed a number of different ideas, now you want to start to organize your ideas a little bit. You want to decide, are these ideas that I might want to write about, or are these ideas I want to just get rid of? So decide on your ideas and then decide on your 3 main supporting ideas for your main topic. Start to group similar ideas together. Now what you want to do is have more general ideas in the middle and then move out to more specific ideas. A mind map can look like this one with smoking, or it can actually look much more complicated like this one. In this mind map, colors actually represent similarities also. But if you look here, this is about a learning theory. There's 5 different types of learning theories presented here. All of these different learning theories have different supporting ideas with them. Now it doesn't matter if your mind map looks like this or like the first one, but make sure that your mind map is organized. You decide what information you have, decide what is bigger information and more specific information.